Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Stripe for crypto payment webhooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start accepting cryptocurrency payments using Stripe, you'll first need to set up a Stripe account. Navigate to the Stripe website and create a new account if you haven't done so already. Once your account is established, log in to the Stripe dashboard. Next, locate the Developers section in the left side menu. Click on Webhooks to manage your webhook settings. Select the Add Endpoint button to create a new webhook endpoint. You will need to enter the URL where Stripe will send your webhook events. Make sure this URL points to your server where you'll handle these events. Next, select the specific events for which you want notifications. For cryptocurrency payments, you'll typically want to select events such as payment_intent.succeeded and payment_intent.payment_failed. Once you've configured the events, click on the Add Endpoint button to save it. Now, move to your server-side code where you'll handle the incoming webhook events. Set up a route that listens for post requests to the endpoint URL you specified. When Stripe sends a webhook event, it will include a signature in the request headers for validation. You'll need to verify this signature to ensure the request is genuinely from Stripe. Use the Stripe library for your preferred programming language to help with signature verification. After validating the signature, extract the event data from the request body. Based on the event type, take appropriate actions for example, if the event is payment_intent.succeeded, you can update your database to reflect the successful payment. Always respond to Stripe with a 200 OK status to confirm that you received the event. Failing to respond may cause Stripe to resend the event, leading to duplicate actions on your server. Finally, test your webhook integration using Stripe's testing tools before launching it live. Once everything is in place, you can effectively manage cryptocurrency payments through Stripe webhooks. This completes our guide on setting up Stripe for crypto payment webhooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.